Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to install Kodi on your Firestick. So if you want to use Kodi for your own personal media library or other legitimate content, then just follow along. First, open settings on your Firestick and go to My Fire TV, then developer option and enable the option that allows apps from unknown sources if it's available. Next, install a trusted downloader app from the Amazon App Store and open the downloader app and enter the official Kodi download link from the Kodi website. Then download the version that's compatible with Firestick, and once the download finishes, select install. After installation is complete, open Kodi from your apps library. You can now add your own local media, network storage, or other legal content sources supported by Kodi. And always download Kodi from its official website and only install add-ons from trusted sources. So that was how to install Kodi on Firestick. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.